Multiply 9.8 by 20 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 8 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 19. The second partial product is 1960. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the hundreds column, bring down 9. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 1960. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 1960 becomes 196.0. That is simply 196. So 9.8 times 20 is 196.